What's up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to the channel. Look at this. I want to reiterate the fact that we are back in altcoin season. This is something we've not seen for 9 months. However, it does feel different this time around. We can see the altcoin valuation is back to $1.6 trillion, but the meme coin market is worth half as much. So this could reflect that, it is more utility and fundamental coins that are growing right now. But I still think there is space to see alts actually go above $2 trillion in terms of their market capitalization right now. And I still think some of the meme coins we could see also increase as well. So we have to also identify and realize that alt season is very different to just a core meme season. Sometimes they happen at the same time, but right now we don't have a meme season. Now, if you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment, stay in the loop of all things hot in crypto. Get yourself down below into my Discord, which is completely free to join, by the way. And let's talk about the first coin. But first, you need to have a good exchange also equipped. And if you want free trading bonuses right now, or if you want to stake for over 10% APR, BitchNix is a great one to use for buying altcoins, memes, and other awesome cryptos. So yeah, BitchNix are down below, guys. The links are all there, necessary for you. Now, the first coin is Pudgy Penguins. So Pudgy Penguins was at first a presale. So it was a coin that had an ICO, then it went live trading on exchanges after its token generation event. And we can see actually looking at the performance of this coin, it went from over $2 billion all the way down to a small $250 million, all the way back up to over $2 billion, then down again, and right now sitting at $2.3 billion, hinting that it might break through to 0.04 yet again. So we've got some good price activity here. Yes, it looks good on the week, on the day, but really we're just returning to where we were 30 days ago. So if it can break through some of these upcoming resistances, we might even see an all-time high potentially made for Pudgy Penguins soon. If the rest of the market will continue to grow, if Solana as well, Solana ecosystem continues to grow, this is all very bullish activity. Now we can see also NASDAQ listed Sharps Technology, which announces a strategic partnership with Pudgy Penguins, which gives more exposure to the space, and of course the meme coin being Pudgy Penguins. So yeah, this is the Sharps Technology. And the great thing is here, we can see STSS recently also acquired over $2 million worth of Solana. Sorry, 2 mil individual Solanas worth $400 million. So it's even bigger. 2 million Solanas is insane. So first coin, Pudgy Penguins. Next up, we've got the Aerodrome Finance. This is a real solid altcoin. I think it gets a lot of traction, and when it moves, it seriously commits to a big movement. Right now, we can see Aerodrome Finance has had a good rally, especially on the day. It's up 5% from $1.17, hit $1.29, and it's actually slightly pulling back right now. So $1.29, pulling back down to $1.23. Of course, it's got a long way to catch up. It needs to get back to $2 plus before it can, really start to put through the nice price action. But the thing is, it needs to actually only chase a $1.53 market capital to get to price discovery. This would create an all-time high. So effectively, we're actually not chasing $2.16. We're chasing around sort of $1.60, $1.70 for Aerodrome Finance, which I think could be quite possible towards the end of the year. This would create price discovery on the market capitalization, and you should always view projects by market capital all-time high and not price all-time high. The simple reason is because of the supply of a coin. As more coins circulates, it will dilute the value of the coin. The market cap remains the same, but the value of the token will decrease. So yeah, Aerodrome Finance is going to be the next one on this list. Coin number 3, we have the one and only Pepe Node, which hit a $1 million raise recently, guys. This is another ICO. So if you're into your memes at the moment, or ICOs, this could be a real hot one. Effectively, this is a brilliant one because it's a mine to earn meme coin, where there's going to be bonuses available in meme coins, giving airdrops for top miners in Pepe coin, Altcoin, and more, it says here. So here we can see effectively buy meme nodes, you upgrade your facilities, and then you can earn meme coins. It says Pepe Node lets you build your own virtual meme coin mining rig, buy nodes, build server rooms, and combine nodes for huge bonuses. So this is something seriously cool. You don't see a lot of this. You really don't see a lot of this sort of stuff. So step 1, you basically build your server room. Step 2, you buy your first node. I'm sorry, I'm a bit bunged up. I don't feel too great at the moment, but whatever. Step 3 is combine your nodes. As you can see here, the real power of Pepe Node comes from strategic combinations. So when you acquire more nodes, you basically earn more yielding power, and then you can also sell your nodes at the same time if you wanted to. So in 3 hours, this coin will go up in price. Right now, one Pepe Node is 0.00105333. The phrase now 1 $1,036,000. So this is definitely what I'm excited to see hit the markets, go live and trade. Of course, not financial advice. It doesn't guarantee it will do amazing, but we have seen a lot of good ICOs recently. Now, you could use things like MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Base Wallet, or even Best Wallet to buy some of this coin. Simply connect your wallet, check the website down below, do a bit of research and due diligence, folks. I hope it goes very, very well. Next coin is Solana. Solana, one of the largest ecosystems out there in the crypto space. So definitely one of my favorites too. And it says, bring blockchain to the people. Solana supports experiences for power users, new consumers, and everyone in between. Okay. So yeah, I mean, bring blockchain to the people. Solana supports experiences for power users, new consumers, and everyone in between. Overall, you know, this is another great ecosystem. Guys, Solana is here for mass adoption. This is one that's going to go far, going to go places. And I still think we're in very, very early days for Solana. $129 billion market cap. Look at where Ethereum is from its inception. Of course, Solana's existed since 2020. It's had a few big ones. It's had some rough ones. It's had some big ones. Right now we're at 129 billion, guys. $238 on the price action here. So yeah, in general, really, really happy. Up 2x from the bottom here where we dollar cost averaged in my group into Solana, also Ethereum and other things like this. So yeah, another reason to get into the Discord channel, guys. But yeah, Solana is definitely in price discovery right now. And a lot of people don't realize that it's actually an all-time high. Solana at $129 billion. But yes, the price is not as high as it was before. However, Solana just did hit all-time high. So with hit all-time high, we might see continuity. And of course, this is a result of token dilution again, where more coins are circulating versus the total supply. So happy all-time high day for the Solana holders. This is absolutely brilliant to see. Guys, consider becoming a patron if you're serious about your crypto game. If you become a crypto legend for $110 per month or something, you're going to get spot trade signals, leverage signals. You're going to unlock some top trading analysts. You're going to get our new trade software, which is TrendWave, which helps people really get those easy to follow buy and sell signals. And you're also going to get white listings and early access to ICOs and other juicy opportunities in the crypto markets. If you don't enjoy it, you can also get refunded. That's completely fine. The link is down below for this. But, you know, at least get yourself into the Discord anyway, guys. You can see a lot of people are just loving it here. And if I check you the VIP chat, this is where things get proper serious. People really sharing some nice insights. And you can also follow. You can share, grow together. Community is a key thing in life, and you want to surround yourself with people that are like-minded and kind of help you grow, you help them grow. And that is exactly why we're building Jacob's Crypto Clan. It's a place where like-minded lovers for crypto can join each other and become an army effectively. Anyways, see you soon, guys. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye-bye.